Today in this video I am going to show you my earning proof of Dreamstime. So Dreamstime also one of the best stock images websites where you can sell and buy your stock images, stock footage, stock audio and etc. So today in this video I am going to show you my earning proof of Dreamstime. So I have total 859 files in my account. So I'm going to show you my earning proof of 2026. So if I click in the earning and if I click in the my earning, okay, so now you can see here recently in this September month I got two sales which have 0.24 dollar and another one is 0.35 cents. Okay, so I got two sales in Dreamstime. So in this way you can also sell your stock photos, stock images, stock illustrations or etc. Okay, so in this video I show you my earning proof of my Dreamstime account. So if you want to also make money from Dreamstime, you can sign up through my link, which will help me, which will give me some motivation to upload more photos or more videos on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.